Hey everyone, John Stuckman from Pro Approach Bowling, and today I'm going to talk about why you need more than one bowling ball. Stay tuned. You may just have one bowling ball, or you may just wonder, well, how come this one bowling ball doesn't do it all for me? Well, I'm here to tell you that you're going to need multiple bowling balls to bowl better. If you want to hit your personal record score, you're going to need more than one bowling ball. If you want to meet new friends and be competitive in your league, you're probably going to want to have more than one bowling ball. So I'd highly suggest taking a look at a 3-ball arsenal. We're going to dive into the details now on why these bowling balls are so different and how it can help you bowl better. So if you only have one bowling ball, or maybe you have two, or maybe quite frankly don't remember which bowling balls you even have, that happens quite a bit when people come into our Pro Shop bowling stores. So I wanted to take a few moments today, go over the different type of bowling balls that are out on the market, and just kind of explain the differences on why these balls do what they do and really how different they are. So a plastic bowling ball, a great example is the Storm Ice. If you want just a basic ball to get started, you're trying to pick up your spares, the 10-pin, the 7-pin, you don't want the ball to curve, maybe you want a lighter weight bowling ball. All a great option with the plastic ball. But remember, you're not going to get the curve that you're looking for. The ball here in the middle is the Rotogrip Optimum Idol. This bowling ball is pretty much what we call a benchmark ball. What that means is that it'll handle a lot of different lane conditions. It's not the most expensive ball on the market. It doesn't hook the most on the market, and it's not the strongest cover necessarily either. So it's kind of that all-around bowling ball. Again, this one hooks, this one does not. So what's this one? What's a Storm DNA Coil? For example, a high-end asymmetric bowling ball. That means that it has a large weight block on the inside. It's going to want to curve more so than this one, lots of down lane motion, and if this one's not working, you would be able to change to this one, and if you leave that spare, you can use this one. So it's very beneficial to have multiple bowling balls in your bowling bag in order to bowl better. You're probably going to want a 3-ball bag to put them in, and remember, make sure to have multiple bowling balls so that you can bowl better. As you can see, there's a lot of different bowling balls out there on the market. You have asymmetric balls, symmetric balls, plastic bowling balls. They all do different things. Maybe you want one for a heavy oil lane condition, a dry lane condition, or perhaps just a spare ball. Again, there's different types of bowling balls for different things. If you want to bowl better, make sure to figure out what bowling balls you have. If you don't know what bowling balls you have, head to your local pro shop. Maybe we're local to you here in Southern California. You can also head to proapproachbowling.com to save 5% on your order on your next bowling ball purchase. If you're curious about the full-length review on both of these bowling balls, take a look at the links here to learn more about the DNA Coil and the Optimum Idol.